We're going to turn to James now, who's over in Bessemer. James, good evening to you. How can we help you this evening?
I'm calling about like I said, a previous injury that I got in 2002,
Okay.
and was put on the workman comp. The company went out of business in 2008, and we went to court, and they deemed me disabled. I was disabled from a ruptured disc, a bulging disc on my spine. So they when the company went out, they sold me with the company to work my part of it. So they said that they would have to do my medical for however that I was here. So they do my medical, but half of the time they don't want to pay for the medicine. So and really and truly, I am tired of taking the medicine. So, but I wanted, just to get this settled so I can have some kind of life, because the medication that they have me on, it got me under restrictions. And I can't do anything if I don't go there and pee in the cup or do this, or they don't think it's reading high enough or whatever. In other words, I'm supposed to be doped up all the time. That's what, So I'm trying to find out, is it anything that I can do or anything that I can find out to do, because I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired.
Well, I'm not surprised to hear you say that. The workers' comp system in Alabama is unfortunately broken. We have tried, we being people who represent individuals, workers, and people who also represent companies, have tried very, very hard to get the system that is antiquated, hasn't been updated since the late 80s and early 90s. I mean, you're talking about decades ago.
So sorry.
And so you find yourself in a situation where you kind of get in the system, and the system isn't kind to you, all right? And so you give up, which is what they kind of want you to do, all right? You're saying, look, they got me doped up all the time. I want to change things, but you can't get an appointment. They give you the runaround, and what they want you to do is they want you to quit. They do, and that's unfortunate. But you do have lifetime medical as a result of this. That's part of the Alabama law. Now, you call my office, I can put you in touch with a very good workers' comp attorney who can negotiate the remainder of your medical if you truly don't want to be on that, you're truly tired of it. They can hopefully negotiate some settlement for you. I generally don't recommend that, but it's getting to where these days it's abusive a lot of times, and to the worker, and so I really can't blame them for wanting to get out of the system and get into a system where they can actually talk to a doctor that will listen to them, talk with, not just talk with a case nurse that that works for the company. I mean, so I'm sorry you're in that predicament.
Yeah.
I hear it all the time. We talk about it, as lawyers all the time about the inadequacies of workers' comp, and I just wish our legislature would do something about it.
Well, James, very quickly, here is Ken's number to his office, 205-883-6636. Thank you so much for calling us.